So, before I start the rest of this video, I need to introduce you to the TVRBO retro rig from 2015. I wanted to recreate as close as possible the first PC my family bought after a long series of hand-me-downs from my uncle, and then upgrade it to be the ultimate 98.99 gaming rig. I picked Windows 98 because 1, that's what it came with. 2, there are a number of 16-bit games that simply refuse to run on newer versions of Windows, and I found that Windows 98 is the hardest to get working properly in a virtual machine. This PC started out life as a Dell Dimension 4100, Pentium 3 800 MHz, ended up with 512 megabytes of RAM and ATI Rage 128 Pro with 32 megabytes of VRAM. I put in an Ensoniq audio PCI I found at a thrift store to get the audio working. It actually had this Ethernet card in it when I picked it up, which is kind of neat. Got a 56K modem if you're into that kind of thing. Came with 10 gigs of space on the main drive. Right after this video, I put in another 200 gigabyte drive so we can install all these, this pile of games we have in the closet. But this is the first time I've taken it out of storage since like 2016-ish, so it had a few bugs to work out. Come on, install this USB mouse. I don't have my Windows 98 CD with me. Where'd you put the Windows 98 CD? Okay, real quick question. Why is the oven smoking?
Because the same reason it always does. There's grease in the bottom of it.
How'd it get there?
Gas.
Oh look, it's American McGee's Alice.
Yo, install your camera software on that.
Did it work? Hey, there we go.
Are you trying to do a video?
I don't know.
With the oven fan on?
Look, I'm not gonna turn off the oven fan. There's smoke. Oh, it's like we gotta do something about this now. Like actually do something about this.
Oh, like for serious?
Like for reals, actually. Oh boy.
Oh, there's a fire in there. There is.
Wait. No, don't turn the fan off.
Here, no, Ben. What are you doing? You don't get to do anything. You get to hold this.
No,
do not pour that in there. Holy shit. No,
See?
take this.
This is why I need you to do stuff.
like-
Wait, not flour.
Flour?
No, not flour.
Not flour.
That's like. Do we not have?
Did we throw my fries in there yet?
No, we will not get.
I mean, good thing it's the oven though. Like it's supposed to be hot in there. Like I mean, this isn't like a pressing issue.
It's contained.
We got big fan? We got big fan?
Did you turn the oven off?
You got big sand?
Yeah, I turned it off.
Okay, well.
No more greasy foods.
I like how we just have a fire going on. Okay, no, I'm trying to remember. What are you supposed to do? It's grease. You can't put water on it. That's bad. It'll f up the heating element.
I mean, that's
what do you? Won't this just solve itself, kind of? I mean,
so we should probably like
clean that.
Yeah, but not.
Well, it's scalding hot now.
Yeah, no. But what? We gotta keep an eye on that.
The frick for you. Oh my God! How did this happen? How did this much? This is.
Okay, yeah. Whatever that thing that you guys are doing to it, don't do it no more. It is canceled.
Turn it back on, make the fries.
I mean.
Oh no! There's hot stuff in the oven.
Somebody gonna keep an eye on that?
No. What's the worst that
What's the worst that could happen?
Are you scared of a few minutes? We'll probably be burning.
It's obviously much more pleasant if the color wasn't all screwed up.
Remember when that used to be Fixies?
Let me
Degoss. I can feel that in my chest. Look, I fixed the color in like, kind of. Wait, there.
No, not right. Well, graphics card didn't fix it, and in fact may have made it worse. Let's find out if this is as tested as it says it is. Hey, look at that. Right color, still very screwed up. But I think that's the card, which I got for $5. I'm gonna put in another card. Question is, do I put in the 64 or the 512? 512? Also got a hard drive for this thing when we were out. Hopefully it works. Got this for $5. See if it works. This was gonna go in the camera video, but now it's just the entire upgrade process to get this thing working again after it's been in storage. seems like too many beeps. You have not connected the power cable to your video. Wait a second, this one takes power? What kind of power? It does. Thankfully, it's a Molex connector. Because I don't think we have anything else. But I mean, that's a good sign that it's functioning, right? Not beeping. That's a good sign. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. No blurry lines, no purple tint. Oh boy, this is new. Now it's green and black and all sorts of different colors.
Or if you...
I don't think that was supposed to happen. Still weird colors. And it's rebooting every time I try to go into Windows. Alright, time to try out the least fancy card. The 64 megabyte one. But if it works, that'll be a step in the right direction. Still double the amount of VRAM it had in it when I got it though. Take 3. Hey, let's go with normal. Hope that works. Oh, there we go. So far this is the most success we've had. Now we just need some drivers for a card that I don't exactly know what it is. Don't you just love mouse trails?
Yeah, I turned your mouse trails off.
Alright, I'll be back when I got some drivers. Do you ever like install new video drivers and you could swear it looks better even though the resolution is exactly the same? Ooh, smooth! What's that refresh rate? Whoa, wait. It can, either the card can do 160 hertz or the monitor can. Ooh. Not fast enough. Now time for my favorite game. Does this $5 graphics card work? Monitor turned on, positive sign, it's booting. I might already have the drivers for this because this is also a Radeon 9000 series. We got our resolution back. Oh no, I don't have any speakers. It's still a little choppy, which makes me think maybe it's the CPU limiting it. But that does mean I get to crank up the graphics all the way and have the performance stay the same. So the next step is a CPU upgrade. They did make a 1.4 gigahertz Pentium 3, but I'm gonna need an adapter, which are kinda rare, but I'm broke, so that's gonna have to wait until the next video.